Hey friends, I'm Jess and welcome to a new vlog. This vlog is the last of my Israel series vlogs. In this vlog, I've gone up to Haifa and Akko in the north of the country, and it's a short one. Do you want to come and explore with me? Let's go. Pretty much the moment I arrived via bus to Haifa from Jerusalem, I then jumped on a train and headed up the coast to explore the town of Akko. It's beautiful hanging out here at the port at Akko. So many cool markets on this trip. This is the market in Akko. Akko is among one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world. And what are all of those pretty blue doors all about? A long-standing tradition in a lot of the old cities in Israel, a blue door helps to ward off evil and is a connection to the sky, the sea, and the divine. I have no idea where I'm going in this street. Adventure! When I was finished my afternoon of exploring in Akko, I jumped back on the train and headed into downtown Haifa. Local transportation is super easy to use in Israel, so after I'd checked back into my hostel, I got changed, put on some bathers, and then hopped on a local bus to head to the beach to watch the sunset over the Mediterranean Sea. The following day, I set out on a mission to explore the Baha'i Gardens. These gardens are so pretty! How's the bag feeling?
Heavy.
There are regular walking tours in English that explain the history of the gardens and the Baha'i religion. And of course, it wouldn't be an Israel vlog if I hadn't have been eating some delicious food. It's my last day here in Haifa and the meal I've ordered is absolutely huge. This is going to last me for all day. Well, I hope you enjoyed the time in Haifa and Akko as much as I did. I'm Jess. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you did like this vlog, please remember to subscribe to my channel, turn on those notifications so you don't miss a single video, give me a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, love you, bye!